Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Inspire by Amanda QuaranTRAIN. I have no idea what day it is in terms of lockdown, but happy Monday anyway. Hopefully you had a good Halloween yesterday. Ours was very uneventful. Rolling the shoulders, we are going to do the infamous 10 down to 1 squats plus dynamic warm-up and 20 butt kicks. And then we're going to get into a little bit of dumbbell demolition today. So enjoy. Jogging on the spot, rolling the shoulders. Oops, that's a wrong device. This is my one for music. Here we go. 10 squats, starting off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Off we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tension grabs. Kind of know it by now. 1, 2, 3. Clutching it to your chest. 4. Warming up the hip flexors. 5, 6. Actively bring it in. 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 butt kicks. Come join me now. Off we go. 1, 2. 19, 20, 9 squats, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, I was waiting for the beat, too slow, 4, 3, 2, 1, elbow to knee, but arms out here ladies, squeezing the shoulder blades, 10, elbow to knee, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 butt kicks. 10, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 8 squats. 8, 7, 6, 5, nice and deep. 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 hamstring scoops, off we go. 1, scoop it up. 2, send the hips back. 3, 4, feel the stretch across the hammies. 5, all the way up to get your upper back as well. 6, 7, belly button to spine, nice big scoop. 8, 9, last one. 10, 20 butt kicks. 6, 7, 8, 10, 18, 19, 20, 7 squats, 7, 6, getting warm now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Frankenstein's, opposite toe to hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 back kicks. 10, 18, 19, 20. What are we up to? 6 squats. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 big arm circles backwards. 10, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the other way, forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 back kicks. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 5 squats. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10 figure 4 squats. How's the balance today? Not good. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that feels great. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa, that doesn't really count. 10. 20 back kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 20. Alrighty, just down to 3 now. 2, 1. Crab toe touches. So hands below shoulders, pushing out with the hips, reaching and touching the opposite toe. If you can't do that, no worries. Just lift opposite hand to foot. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on up. 20 back kicks. 3, 2, 1. You're all up. 2, 3, almost 5, 6, 10 more. 17, 18, 19, 20. Should be feeling nice and warm. The last 2. High skips. 10 high skips. 1, 2. Use your arms. 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump if you like. 7, 8, 9, 10. Straight into 20 back kicks. 18, 19, 20. Last one. 1 squat. 10 high knees. Left, right equals 1. So 20 in total. Straight into 20 butt kicks. Seven, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 6, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alrighty. You should be feeling pretty warm by now. I am, that's for sure. Okay, all good, Kirsten? Yep, no, you can't hear me? You're muted. Thumbs up, that's good. All right, we're just going to get straight into dumbbell demolition, 3 rounds. First round will be 45 seconds. Kate's getting her top off, yeah. Actually, I didn't welcome you all individually, so jogging on the spot. Good morning to Kirsten, to Gabes, to Fiona, to Tash, to Kate, to Natalie, to Suze, and to Paulette. Well done for joining. Alrighty, you can stop jogging now. And please grab your dumbbells, have them all to hand for dumbbell demolition. I already set up my timer, so I am good to go. Actually, need to get my weights, that would help. Oh, so I can hear someone's not on mute. I'll just mute you because otherwise, who is it? It'll come up.
Might be me.
That's too harsh, yeah. The screen does active speakers, so you might end up making an appearance, which is all good. Alrighty, squat with rear leg raise. Are we ready, team? 3, 2, 1, off we go. Otherwise known as Daisy Dukes. I've got guys in my class in the morning, so I don't call them Daisy Dukes. Although I'm sure they'd like to picture Jessica Simpson in hot pants. Here we go, narrow squat. Woo! Put my legs through the wall, that would not be good. Make sure it's a decent squat and see, nice straight leg drilling down on that glute. 10 seconds, team. Keep going. You go, yeah. You know, all right. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. 3, 2, 1. With your dumbbells, swing and clean. See how I've got my dumbbells here? 4, 3, 2, 1. Come join me. Dynamic and strong, powerful. See, this is a dynamic, kind of explosive move. It's not like that. Boom. Arms out straight behind you. Getting the triceps, quads, calves, core, shoulders back. This gets a little bit of everything. Keep it up, team. 45 seconds. Rack your dumbbells up like this. Elbows high. Gets the core as well. You got it, team. Let me go. 4, 3, 2, 1. and narrow. 2, 1, let's go. So wide and narrow, 45 seconds. Working the back muscles. Don't let that belly hang up. Suck it in. Woo! That sweat's starting to rain down. Alrighty. Squeeze. If you need to take a break, reset, please do so. Otherwise, keep going. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Sweaty Betty. Alrighty. Deadlift to front squat. Elbows up. Deadlift to front squat. 2, 1. Come join me. 2/3 the way down. Nice flat back. Arms are active. Drawing up. Elbows up. Speed it up. Nice work, team. You feel with the front squat, the abs are on. Who's joining? Good morning, Flick. 13 seconds. Woo! 10 seconds. Elbows up high. Abs on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Show us your guns. It's bicep curls. 15 seconds rest. 3, 2, 1. Elbows are tucked in. Nice and tight. Upper body not moving other than your arms are in a bicep curl. Power through. If you need to stay to the stance, 20 seconds. Change sides if you want to. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watching. Actually, that's going to be too heavy. Tricep extension. Option A. Option B. Add in a knee drive. Here we go, 45 seconds. So if you want to add in a knee drive, making sure you stick with that extension, not swing. Otherwise, get the cardio out of it and just strength training. Hold 45 seconds on one side. Then you'll rest and do 45 seconds on the other side. Don't see the green light. There we are. I've dropped my microphone a couple of times recently, so I hope it's still working. 1 second. No, 3, 2, 1. Take a break. Other side. 10 seconds rest though, so stay upright. Maybe you want to have a boogie. 2, 1. So either stick with extension. Otherwise, if you want to add a bit of cardio into it, maybe your dumbbell's a bit lighter, you can add a knee drive. Yeah, nice work, Nat. Awesome, that's it, Suze. Yes, like, Tash. Well done, Paulie. Good squeezing, that's it. Kate. Move it on, Kirsten. Rehab. 15 seconds. That's it. And Fiona, nice one, guys. Everybody crushing it. You have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Alrighty, watching me if you're okay. It's the snatch. Touching the ground, lifting up high. clean press if you have lower back issues. So ground to overhead, 45 seconds if your back's okay. Otherwise, hang, clean and press. 2 options, team, you choose. If you're doing the snatch, make sure you're sending the hips back. You're not rounding your back. So hips back and down, gaze. 20 seconds, that's too light. You can go heavier with this. Go 5 kg. Or CrossFit, I use 15 kg dumbbells for this. It's been a while though. Not doing that currently. 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! 15 seconds rest. Same thing. Dumbbell snatch or hang, clean and press. 2, 1. Let's go. So this is an explosive move. Boom. You're sending it up. You're not doing that. That's not it. Boom and up. So as your arm extends, so do your hips and legs. Boom. So you hit that position upright. Whoa, it's a bit of a lung burner. 15 seconds left. Oh, definitely works on the weaker arm, right? 5 seconds. Woo! Definitely feel it this side. 2, 1. Okay. 3 pulse goblet squat, jump, or 3 pulse goblet squat to calf raise. Off we go, 45 seconds. I won't be jumping this morning. I'm going to choose low impact option today. Had a really, really rubbish sleep last night. So light. And just kept waking up the whole time. 4 classes today. I need to conserve just a little bit of energy so I don't crash and burn. But you don't need to worry about that. This is your class. You can go for it. So keep squat jumping if you're jumping. Otherwise, boom, up to calf raise. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Last one, thrusters. Use the power in your legs. Thrusters, boom. 3, 2, 1. This is the last exercise. And then it's a break. Well, active recovery, you know me. That's it, so keep squatting low. Making sure as you come down, use the power in the legs. So don't go like this, and then like that. It's a thruster, so down and extend arms and legs and hips at the same time. 15 seconds. Squat low, drive those arms high. Oh yes, Kirsten, you got it. 6 seconds. Woo. 3, 2, 1. Woo. Good effort, team. Monday seized. Let's start off with 65 butterflies. I feel we can take it up a notch. We're all getting fitter and stronger, so 65 butterfly crunches. Coming on up. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. 20. 30. 40. 50. 50, 15 more. We're doing 65, 3, 54, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Nice work, ladies. Now you can have a water break, and then we're going to do dumbbell demolition, round 2, 30 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. So less working and less resting time. Need to make sure I stop for water. 11 exercises. Oh, I'm getting a nice breeze through today. Okay. Are we ready for round 2, team? Just wait for you to get on up. That's it, Nat. All right. You ready, Nat? Round 2. Daisy Dukes. 3, 2, 1. Off we go. Squeeze. Narrow squat. Target the quads more. You got it. Let's have a look at you. 10 seconds to go. Keep it up. Nice work, guys. 3, 2, 1. Time. Swing and clean. Only 10 seconds rest now. Swing and clean. Here we go. Down the mountain. Over the ski jump. Brace the core. Nice flat back. Create your own breeze. 3, 2, 1, and done. Wide row, narrow row. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Change the song. Keep going. Squeeze the shoulder blades. Seconds, wide and narrow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deadlift to front squat. Whew. Have a bit of a breather because we're on one second. Deadlift to front squat. If you're really knackered, you can have your dumbbells by your side for the narrow squat. Otherwise, draw it up, elbows up high. And this is core work as well. 4 seconds. Time. Bicep curls. 5 seconds rest. 3, 2, 1. So you can do singles, or you can do doubles. Really strong torso. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tricep. Remember, strength training, or if you want to add a little bit of cardio, off we go. I'm just going to do strength. Squeeze. If you want to add the knee, go for it. 20 seconds, all one side. 15 seconds. Five seconds. to it. Boom. 20 seconds left. Squeeze, no swing, squeeze. 15 seconds. Placing the hand on the thigh, don't put any weight on that knee with your hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Snatch, coming on up. Ground to overhead or hang, clean and press. One arm. Ground to overhead. So, don't know if you can see, but as you go overhead, your palm is facing out, so the dumbbell should finish like that. If you're doing hang, clean and press, hang, clean, the dumbbell finishes like that. Snatch, hang, clean and press. You got it. 2, 1, other side, 10 seconds rest. 3, 2, 1, off we go. Probably chosen your weaker side, second like me. 20 seconds. Woo! 15, keep that energy up. Almost getting to the end. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Next up, triple pulse, goblet squat jump, or squat to calf raise. 2, 1, off you go. 1, 2, 3, up. Nice and low on the squats. Triple pulse, 10 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Thrusters. Thrusters. 5 seconds. 2, 1, 30 seconds. Seconds. 5. Time. Alrighty. We did 65. Shall we do 100? I reckon. I think so. So come on down to your mats. I'll face this way, change of scenery. 100. Normally this is round 3, but hey, we're cranking it up now. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, elbows out. 4, 5, 10. 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 30. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Halfway. 60. 70. 80, last routine. 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, last 10. 3, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Oh, I might change this song. This is dance workout. I'm not digging this song. Okay, it is rest time. It is rehydration time. It is maybe stretch your abs a little time. And then 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest for those 11 exercises. Let me change my timer. Alrighty crew, Daisy Dukes, are you ready? We're off in 10 seconds. Oh, battery running low, damn. There was one thing I need to bring down, my charger. Daisy Dukes, 3, 2, 1, off you go. 20 seconds. Resting time. Swing and clean. 5 seconds. Here we go. Swing and clean. Swing and clean. Only 20 seconds. Final round. 11 exercises. Monday. Setting ourselves up for the week ahead. Oh yes, team, look at you go. Awesome. Yes. Woo. Wide, narrow. 3 seconds. Here you go. Oh, trying to keep up with the beat. That's going to be too fast in your own time. Thank you so much. Please plug it in, babe. Oh, IT guy. Coffee guy. Lovely husband. Thank you, babe. Alrighty, resting time. Deadlift to front squat. 4 seconds. Here we go. Thank you. Feel it in the core, right? With those elbows high. This is a great core exercise. It's over before you know it, because here's the buzzer. Woo! Right now, need to turn up music. Bicep curls. Switch sides. Tricep extension. You got this. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Well done. Okay, snatch. Ground to overhead. We'll hang, clean and press. Woo, and we're off. Only 20 seconds. You can raise the heels as you come up and place the heels down. Don't bash yourself on the way down. 1. Woo! 4 seconds. Other side. So remember, if you're doing hang, clean, press, well, this is what it looks like. 6 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Shriek, hold, stop, and squat. Oh, there's not enough time to recover. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Woo. Have a break, just lie where you are, stretch out, arms overhead, stretch out the abdominals. Woo, that was a goodie. What have we got? 10, 11. We can do the donkey kick combo because it's been a while. I think even last time it might have been Tash that ended up helping take us through it. So I ran upstairs to get the cord. That's funny, it's happening again. So maybe let's have a quick water break, recover. Oh my gosh, did so many workouts last week that I just had to have Saturday, Sunday off, no abs. Hopefully your abs will be good sore, although they will be getting conditioned to these workouts, and that's why it's good to change it up a little bit as well. Shall we do the donkey kick combo? Oh, might even need to shut the door. It's getting a bit breezy, cooling down a little bit too much now. Okay, looks like everybody's ready. Gabe's is like, come on Amanda, let's go. I'm still just trying to catch my breath. Let's get some music going. What's the song that was about to play? Donkey kick combo coming on up. 3, 2, 1, off we go. 20. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 knee to nose. 1, squeeze. 2, look at my heel. 3, leg is bent. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straighten the leg, point the toes, square the hips, 20 pulses. 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10 fire hydrants. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's extend it and do 10 rainbows. 1, 2, straight leg touchdown. 3, 4, 5. Oh, feel it on that supporting glute. 6. Oh yes. 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, take a wee break. Have a breather. Come off your wrists. Roll the wrists. And let's turn around on the other side. Alrighty. Sitting up nice and properly. Hands below shoulders. Knees below hips. Are we ready? Lifting the other leg. Square the hips. 3, 2, 1. 20 pulses. 10 to go. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 knee to nose. 1, slop down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I'm thinking about my scone and coffee about now. Straighten the leg. Point the toes, square the hips, 20 pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 more to go. Legs feeling heavy. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Don't drop that leg, team. Stick with me. Fire hydrants. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. 2. Don't drop it. 1. Extend rainbows. 10, 9. Straight leg touchdowns. 7. Ooh. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Oh, that gets you good, right? I thought I'd add on the rainbows because it wasn't quite hurting enough. After the fire hydrants, we're going to do my favourite ab finisher, chunga. Oh yes. It's a bit fast and furious, but I just love how you really feel the burn on the abdominals, and then we'll get to cool down. So, as always, if it gets too much butterflies, as we've already done so many today, maybe you want to just do some normal crunches if it gets too much. But remember, this is the 16 tabletops, 8 and 8 figure 4s, coming straight up, no break, 32 Russian twists, 16 hip raises, round 2, bit of an interlude, take a break, or do scissors, and then round 3 finishes with 32 Russian twists. So it's kind of like 2.5 rounds really. Are we ready? Remember, it gets pretty much straight into it. So lying down, actually just keep your feet down. I'll find the song first. It's in my song finishes. Oh, that's because I'm in cool down. Not quite yet. We're almost at cool down, ladies. Alrighty, are we ready? Getting the legs into tabletop condition. Here it is. 3, 2, 1. Change the song now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more. Support your head if you need to. Figure 4 coming up. 2, 1. Figure 4. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Opposite arm. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 32 Russians. 16 more. Hip thrust coming up now. Next. Here we go. Hip thrust. 16, 15, 14. Lower abs. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Small movement. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 2. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Figure 4. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Russians. 32. Follow the hands. Halfway. 8 more. 3, 2, 1. Hip thrust. 16, 15, 14, 12, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this is where you can take a break, or you can scissor up and scissor down. I am going to take a break today. Final round coming up very shortly. So scissor up and scissor down, or take a break. Final round, finishing at Russian twists. Here we go. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Figure 4. 8, 7. Powerful. 6, 5. Finish strong. 3, 2, 1. Switch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 32, and we're done. Right to the end. One more of a challenge. Go by pose. Oh, burn, baby, burn. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, yes. There you go. Hit the low. Abs are done. Is everybody still alive? Can I see you? Yes. We're all lying down. That water tastes good. Alrighty, we have a good chance to have actually a decent cool down. We have packed in everything that I wanted to today. Excellent. I hope it wasn't too speedy. How about a bit of Sam Smith? Stay with me. So important to look after our bodies with all the exercise that we do. rather than skipping the cool down. So come join me with a little bit of Sam Smith. Such a beautiful voice. Just need to record people that are here today, so just do a print screen. We're going to post it. Alrighty. Come on up. Not that you can see me, I've cut myself up. Come on up, team. Actually, he hasn't had any new music out for a while, has he? Sam Smith? Just cool down a little bit. I'm just going to do alternating sweep. Just try and do a little bit of a stretch in the abdominal muscles and a little bit of a shoulder roll because we can get sore shoulders. Just kind of cooling down. And just actually a little bit of a bend in the knee this time. A bit of a bend and a sweep. Can you feel it sort of over the sides of your body? Bend and sweep. We're going to get even deeper with the bend this time. Reaching across to the side, staying there a little bit longer and release. Other side, so bend, staying a little bit longer, side stretch. 4 more. And release. I realize holding my breath. Inhale, hold. Exhale, release. 2 more. Inhale, hold, stretch. Exhale, release. Last one. Stepping 1 foot behind the other. The same foot that is behind that same side. Reaching across. And now just doing a static side bend. You feel it all across here. Releasing. Roll the shoulders, stepping, and then other foot behind. Nice big inhalation. And exhale. Oh, leaning over. I feel like I need to clip my back. There you go. Good side bend. And then releasing. Doesn't feel so good on that side, so I'm not holding it so long. Either prop yourself against the wall if you feel you need a little bit of balance. We bought tickets to Elton John. And you know how he came to Australia and then he got sick and then he went back home. COVID. He's pretty old now, I can't imagine him being in a position. Same leg, whoops, to come back. So I must try and get a refund. I don't know if any of you are, if others of you bought tickets, did you get a refund straight away? Maybe that's what we should have done. Because I can't see him coming. Woo! Other side, reaching up to get the balance, or if you have a wall behind you like me, grab onto it for a good quad stretch, pressing against the back of your foot against the palm of your hand so you can really get a decent stretch out of that quad. Releasing slowly, bringing that around, and then sitting down for a static. I've still got the wobbles. I had the wobbles with us at the start of class. I haven't managed to get the wobbles out. Good stretch across the side of the glute, across the hips. Oh, rolling the shoulders. Let's do a shoulder stretch. How are we doing for time? Oh, good time, that's good. So arm across. Really actively bring in the arm across. And reaching up and over and down. And release. Oh, other side. Reaching over. Really actively pull that towards you so you can feel the stretch. About a 7 out of 10. Reaching up. Gently pressing down on the elbow. Now if you find a wall, I happen to have one just here. Oh yeah, that's a goodie. A calf stretch. all those jogging on the spots, the calf, the squat to either squat jump landing or the squat to calf raise, or you can feel it in your calf muscles. So this is a really good stretch, leaning up against the wall. I'm just going to put my back to you so that I can fully get the calf. But it's quite good. You can start off on an angle, hold it there for a few moments, and then also come on square. Just get a slightly different part of your calf muscle. So switching, so popping an angle on the wall. That's a big muscle, the calf muscle. So target different areas. Now turning square on. So back leg is bent. I don't know if you can see in the, yeah. Heel down, toe up against the wall. So you get a really good stretch. And whilst we're here, you can get a great stretch. Oh yeah, on the wall as well. Can you see my hand? Yeah, palm is straight. Turning, leaning up against the wall, turning sideways, trying to keep the shoulder as close to the wall, and then cropping this other hand and turning gently against it, so you get a really good stretch. Slowly come out of that. I don't know, pop your shoulder or anything. Oh, I definitely need it on the side. It's a good thing about being at home, you can make the most of the walls. It's a good stretch on the side. And if you could really feel it a bit tight, maybe later on today, even if you just do those two, the calf stretch and the wall stretch. It is 10:29, but we've finished stretching. So I think we can just finish here actually. Great class, thank you all for turning up, for your energy. Awesome, we covered heaps today, and also really nice opportunity to have a good cool down. I'm hungry, I'm going to go for coffee and scone. Thank you for joining me. I shall get it off recording, and Geraldine